That's very hard to work of my friend. Oh. Look at that. See, sitting like a Buddha now. See, it's too hard. Look at that. See, now he's sitting up like a Buddha because he's hard worker. Oh my goodness. He's the puncher. See, look at that. So need to give up. See, look at this. Oh my goodness. It's too wet. Hard worker, huh? Look at that. See. And this is the puncher now. Is our driver, Mr. Adir Kiran Singh. See, very hard worker, but very handsome guy. See, oh, he's 37 years old, very young. Look at that. More. I think more, yeah.
No, like need here.
Yeah, more.
But
need more. See?
Down.
Yeah, see, look at that. Very hard guy. Yeah, going up there, but little. He's back again. It's the wrong place. Oh my goodness, what's happened? See? Very hard work. See? You work here in Saudi Arabia and you will take your time, effort. See?